Well, here we have it. A new tool that I will be using to cook my dinner tonight. And it's called a tangine. I placed it in the water overnight, soak before using, because it's brand new. I now have to grease it over with this oil, place it in the oven at 325 or 350 around there for 2 hours. I will take it out, let it cool off, and then I will prepare my dinner. And on the menu tonight, I'm having chicken and vegetables. My first time using this tangine. And you may say, what in the world she got there? Well, you will see. Hope you enjoy. Chef Dolores. Got to get every corner and grease it all over. Grease it all over. Very important to grease it all over. I will do the bottom after, but I'm going to do this part first. So I'm greasing it all over with oil, extra virgin oil. I'm going to place my cover on top now. And I'm going to grease this all over. So at that, I'm going to continue to do this. She is now greased all over, perfectly, all over. Cover on, ready to go in the oven for 2 hours. And as you can tell, the design, the painting, was painted by some ladies, and I will place the information on that later. So in the oven it will go 12 o'clock. It will be taken out 2 hours after. Here we have it. Done over, as you can tell. Tangine. The pot is baked in the oven for 2 hours because it's a new pot. My tangine. And now I have oil in the pan because it's cooled off, and I have oil in the pan there now in the bottom part. So I'm going to turn it up a bit. In there I have lots of spices, different kinds of spices. And my chicken is in with the spice and oil, and I'm going to put that in there now in a few seconds when it gets hot. Here on the cutting board I have parsnip, potatoes sliced up in like big fries, I suppose, like maybe, yeah, anyways. And I have red onions, and then I have carrots. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to fry this up a bit first, and then I will add some more stuff on top after. So see what's going to happen here next. So I'm going to turn it on here now. See if it's hot. Not really hot enough yet. Not a few minutes. And then I'm going to place it in there. Could you stir that up for me now, please, the chicken, please? Just get the, I already stirred it up, but try not to knock that over there. Now we're going to have to fry it. I'm going to fry it on both sides just for a few minutes. And then I'm going to, where it's a lot there, I'm going to have to fry it separately. So if you knock this over, you might knock the stuff on the floor. So can you put the piece of chicken in for me, or hold this, one of it, please?
Wait, hold that.
So it's hot enough, I think. Give me a bit more of the oil, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. Just get this going here. I really need a heat diffuser to put it on there, but it might work. Skin down first if you can. Yeah. So here we go.
Skin down.
It's not really hot yet, but it'll get hot. Maybe I should wait a minute there until it gets hot. That's okay, just put it in, I suppose. Skin down first. We don't want to crowd it too much. Use all the same size. You want move the skin on over there. Yeah. Perfect. That one, yeah. Maybe one more piece, yeah. There you go. So we're going to fry that first, okay? I should have waited till the fat got a little bit, the oil got a little bit hot, but that's okay. So I will show you what it looks like when it's frying. It's starting to fry in the oil. I'm going to turn it now in a minute. As you can tell, while that's frying there for another minute, I'll recap what I have here. Parsnip, potatoes, carrots, red onions, tomatoes, dried apricots, parsley, freshly parsley, lemons that was in a bottle. I got it come from somewhere. Garlic, and as I said, that's freshly parsley. In here I have some saffron. I put a little extra today. Usually only wants a few strings. It's really good stuff. Saffron, really good on almost anything. They say it's even good for ice cream. So I'm going to turn this over now. Let's go over here and see what we have so far. So I'm going to turn that on. Oh, it's stuck on. That's okay. All good. So I'm going to turn it over. There we go. It looks good. And this is a clay pot. It's clay. You get different kinds. And it's called a Tangine. And it's from Turkey. No, it's from Marco, was it? Whatever. Anyways, I'm going to flip this over now. Let it fry on this side for a few minutes. Then I'm going to have the other chicken, because I have a little extra. I always cook extra for another day. Why not? While you at it, right? So I'm going to let that fry for another minute on that side. And then I'm going to add the rest. And stay tuned. I will add it now. Chicken is out of the Tangine. Now the onions going in slowly. Put the onions in. You can put it all on top of each other and push it over. You find you might burn yourself, you know what I mean? Onion mix. Red onions. I put 2 red onions in it. Red onions. Stir this up for a few minutes, and I will wait. Well, we could add the garlic now. Yeah, just add the garlic now. I'll say about 2 teaspoons of garlic, chopped garlic. That's some more there, Nella. There we have it. So thank you. I'm gonna fry this up now for a little while, and give this a go, and I'll be back again. Garlic and red onions mix. Took the chicken out. I will add the chicken in a little while again, along with some vegetables. But we're going to give this a fry first, a few minutes. Here we have it, onions on top. Now the chicken is going on top of that. Lots of chicken. Put it close together because you want to have nothing wrong. This is not boneless or skinless. This is with bone in it. Tastes better. It puts a better flavor. So, but it's your choice what you have. Shows you the liquid over it. Yes, what's there? And give me this fork. And we can make room here. So now we have the chicken in there. All on top. Try to squeeze it in. Push it down. A lot more stuff got to go in here. So here we go. The next thing I'm going to do is, I can hold this. I don't know if I'm going to get it on. Can you hold this camera for me? There you go. Thank you. That. So I'm going to put my carrots on next. Can you see it now? Carrots on next. Like I said, extra for tomorrow. It won't go down. So we have the carrots and the tight squeeze there. I'm going to put my parsnip next. Parsnip next. As you can tell. There you go. And one piece is there. I'm going to push it down, no problem. And then I'm going to put my potatoes next. Can you see it? Is that close? Okay. Potatoes is next. A lot of vegetables, as you can tell. It's good for you. But it tells me anyways. Good for the eyes. There's carrots good for eyes, isn't it? So we have that on there, potatoes next. Okay. So then after that I'm going to take my lemon. I'm going to put my lemon across there. And just spread it out. Bit of lemon. Bit of lemon. And then I'm going to put my apricots in next, and my fresh parsley is mixed up with it. As you can tell, what's that? What's that there?
Well, the rim got to fit down in there.
Yeah.
Too.
And then you got that there. Then I'm going to put my tomatoes next.
Oh, Lord. What a feed.
My tomatoes is next. As you can tell. And with that drizzle on there, hold on to it. This is some of the liquids that was left over. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mix that up with the saffron. Stir it all in. Saffron. Hang on, take a spoon. Take this all out. Okay. I'm going to put a little salt on it now. A second. Just a pinch of salt on it a little bit, just to add a little flavour to it. Second, will come out. Gotta put a bit of salt out because you know the reason why? There's a lot of stuff, right? Okay, move over in here. We're gonna put the cover on. Try to get it on here now. Move it away from the sides. And hopefully it's gonna go on. So voila. And once it cooks, it's gonna go down. Okay? And here we got it. So this is a tangine, and it's going in the pot now for maybe an hour, I suppose. We'll check on it in about 45 minutes. And I'm gonna let that simmer, turn it down a tiny bit so it won't burn. And we're gonna let it simmer. And you can tell there's a hole up top. Voila. From Chef Dolores' kitchen. Steam is coming out of the pot. And what a smell. What an awesome, awesome smell. Let's see what's inside. Let's get my oven mitts there first. Oh. Wow. Wow. Let's take the cover off. Hot. That's very hot. It's very hot. Oh. Lots of juice here. It's cooking. Sprinkle some of this on top there. And it's really cooked. But the smell is unbelievable. Smell is unbelievable. There we go. Beautiful. What a smell. Smells good of Lindy. Anya?
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.